everyone, this is Yashasvi from 7th ASM with Memory Example. I am going to explain a topic on natural indicators. To make this topic more fun, I am going to include activities too. So we'll go with our first activity. In my first activity, I'm using indicator as turmeric, acid as curd, and base as this soap solution or soft solution. First, we'll take our natural indicator to this turmeric. Take a little turmeric here. Now, add a little water to make it like a paste, and this paste should not be that thick. Now, after doing this, take a piece of paper, even you can use a waste paper. Now, apply this paste onto this. We have to keep on doing it till the paper turns into yellow color. So see, I have made it into yellow color, and now let's keep it for some time for drying. See, I have kept it to 3 minutes under the fan and dried. Now let's take our base, that is soft solution. I have taken an earbud to do this. First dip the earbud into this and write something or draw something on this indicator. I'll write something like signs. I written signs, and whenever you dip it here, you can see that it's turning into red color. This is because we are adding it into our natural indicator, that is turmeric. Now let's take curd, that is the acid, and put it onto the base. See, it's losing its color because of the process of neutralization. When we put acid onto this base, then it loses its color. And at the same time, whenever we put the base on this acid, again the color starts appearing. This is neutralization. Now we'll go into brief about this topic in our second activity. See, natural indicators, and we came to our second activity. First, we will see about this indicator plus acid plus base, and which turns into red color, and we will use test tube, dropper, and our acid and base and indicator which we use in our first activity. Let's start it. First, take a dropper and test tube. Now here we have a turmeric solution that will use it as our indicator. Now take a little and put it in test tube. I have added it into the test tube. Now wash it properly so that it will be gone. We have added it, and I have even washed my dropper with the water. Now we will add, so here we have wrote it as base. So our acid. So our acid is curd. Let's add it into this. Now it's in the same color. After adding this base, let's see what happens. Now you can see it's slowly turning into reddish color, right? This is because of neutralization when the acid falls onto the base in presence of our indicator. Now let's go in brief about this. Okay, so in our activity 2, before going to the second topic, let's see. Actually, before I didn't show it properly that reddish color. Now see, I have added more soap solution, it is our base, and made it into red color. See, you can see this. This is neutralization. Now let's go to our second topic. Here you can see our second topic where we used indicator. Our indicator is same with turmeric, base the same, that is our soft solution, and the acid, that is our curd. And now it turns colorless because of the reaction of acid. Let's see this. I'm taking another one. Actually, we can do in that, but it is filled, so that's why we'll use this. First, as we did it first there, we'll use the indicator, that is turmeric solution. Took some indicated our turmeric solution, and we had to wash this dropper before doing this activity. Okay, now as written here, we have to take first base, not acid. Our base is a solution. Now let's add them. And next it's written as acid. Let's add some acid too. See, turn it yellow color. Here I wrote as colorless, and that is when acid plus base, but here we used indicator, so it's turning into this yellow color because indicator our turmeric is in yellow color. And we have to even see how the acid plus base and base plus acid turns. See, these both are the things which I have used in the second activity. This is the first topic which we have seen. Indicator. Our indicator turmeric solution, and acid, our curd. And next the base surf solution which turned to red. Yes, we got it into red color. So this proves our solution is right. Next one. This turns into yellow color, and here I wrote it as colorless because that is another indicator. Our turmeric solution, base, our surf solution, acid, that is our curd, and it turned into yellow color. That is because of indicator, and without indicator it turns into colorless. So even it turned to yellow color. So this has proved that our activity is correct. First we have seen indicator plus acid plus base which turn into red color. Yes. Indicator plus base plus acid which turn into yellow color. Yes. Now let's see base plus acid which is colorless. Now I am taking surf solution and curd, that is this is base and this is our acid, and a test tube and a dropper so that we can perform the activity. First take our base, that is surf solution, to dropper and add it into the test tube. Next you take the acid and add it into this. Now shake it well. Now after mixing for 3 minutes, let's see what happens. Yes, it turned into colorless. This is when base react on acid and turns into colorless. And the same when we put acid and base, then it turns into another color. That one is called neutralization. We have seen indicator plus acid plus base that turns into red. Yes, it's neutralization. On next, we have seen indicator plus base plus acid, it turns yellow. Yes, these both prove the neutralization, and base plus acid colorless. Yes, this is also neutralization. It turned into colorless. This is all about natural indicators. We have seen the first activity where we have used a turmeric solution and we have written, and with the base and acid we have seen how it's turning into red color and colorless. And next we have seen with the test tube, and we have gone brief into this, and we have seen this is all about natural indicators and utilization. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this and enjoyed this video.